Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're taking a look at the Flame King Heavy Duty 500,000 Weed Burner. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Flame King Heavy Duty 500,000 BTU Propane Torch Weed Burner. And it comes with a little flint stick or whatever, starter or striker. And it goes around $52 on Amazon. First things first, I can't get this thing to work. I can't get this part here to touch this here. I don't know if something's bent up in it, and it says in the instructions you need to use this. You can't use a lighter. Well, there's no way I can get that to work. I tried tightening it up. That didn't help. Yeah, I don't know how they expect you to use this if you can't even get it to touch each other. Yeah. Okay, after like bending the handle a couple different times, a couple different ways, I kind of sort of got it working, but it's not all that impressive. But I got this to burn weeds in my driveway. I can't think of a more all-natural way to kill weeds than just to burn them. So it takes no chemicals. But let's go ahead, go outside, get it hooked up, give it a try. Okay, please take note. This is very important. It screws in counterclockwise. In other words, twist it to the left. Now, as you can see, this striker is about useless, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a lighter. Okay, this is what it looks like after 2.5 hours. I'm hoping when it rains, it'll clean it up a bit. My final thoughts. Now, when I was using this, there was no comfortable way to hold the handle and press a lever. I tried holding it upside down, right side up. There was no comfortable way to hold it. Maybe if you put some finger grooves in the handle, that would help, or make the handle a little bit longer or different. Now, the valve, they tell you turn 1/8 to get it lit and started, but there's no way to really know when you're at 1/8. And that striker, totally useless. So overall, I'm going to go ahead and give this a 3.5 out of 5. Do me a favor, click on that little channel logo in the upper left-hand corner. And as always, thank you for watching.